Hi all, welcome to our channel. Any particular one business, how to share your content on your social media to Google Map option. So previous we discussed Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram option. Why we can Google Map? Google Map also will be keyword indexing purpose. First of all, I can go to services. I'm taking one of the images called Digital Marketing Services Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Copy. I'll taking image, save image as I can download by the particular website. After this one, go to Google Maps. Option name is called any update. So your Google Map is suspended. That will be violate this option. Any update. Select your any update option. Add your title. Along with add your some information. What are the information you add by here? After that, add your image. Where you can save image will be that you can select will be here. Image. After email upload, you have to do one condition is there. That is called, we can click here, resize your complete image. See all border. After this one, posting will be two methods. Book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, call now. When call now, no need to add the website link. If you add the bookmark, same related link will be copy and paste it. First title with the description, some description, image. After image, what we can do? Crop, add the web link. Web link not required, add the call button. Any Google Map call button not active, we can go to setting and activate your call button option. I'm using for book and click for post it. After done your post, check your post will be suspended or active stage. If it's suspended, immediately delete it. Maybe that image will be violated. So image not accept a one or two post. Don't upload image, then content upload it with along with link or phone number. Image not applicable in your Google Maps. Remove image, add the text and add the link, upload it. No need to worry about that one. Close. After that, add photo. What are the photo you are design? Same photo upload by the photo option. This is called image optimization. That will be reach post will be Google purpose. So this is the call update Google Maps each and every website. If any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.